Hello, I've jumped on quickly just to let you know about my Working with Shame workshop, which is on Friday, the 9th of July. And just to tell you a little bit about the content of it, we'll be exploring the nature of shame. What does it feel like? What does it look like? What are the behaviours associated with it? We'll be looking at the origins, the sources of shame. And one of the strengths of my model, I think, is it identifies a multitude of sources of shame beyond the purely interpersonal. We'll be looking at the differences between guilt and shame, and I've thoroughly analysed these differences, and I will be offering you 3 sides of A4 analysis of those differences. And I'll be sharing with you different models for thinking about shame and working with shame, including my own models. And I'll be including my own definition of shame as well. We'll look at our inner critic and understanding our inner critic. And all that will be accompanied by small group work, large group work, and a creative exercise. And the creative exercise will have a relational debrief. So the debriefing of that exercise will be congruent with the methodology that I'll be sharing with you for working with shame. I really hope some of you will be tempted to come and join me. And there's a link to sign up below. So thanks for listening, and hope to see you there. Bye for now.